Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss one platform there you can earn crypto by writing any blog or by reading the blog. You can earn crypto. This platform is publish0x.com. Well, I am going to show you how you can earn. Though there are not huge earning, you won't be a millionaire overnight by using it, but if you use it regularly you can earn a handsome amount after 1 month or after few days. So you can start using from now. I am showing you how you can use it, and you will get to know lots of information regarding technology, regarding blockchain technology, regarding coins and many other things. So we can start here. Well, here are lots of coins. You can see that DeFi, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coins, Stellar, Tron, Cardano, BAT. We can click on popular. Okay. Well, first what you have to do, as I have already registered and logged in, you can see my username here. So first you need to register here. I will give the referral link, whatever. Yes, it has referral link, so you will have that opportunity to use that referral link as well. I will post it in my description or in the comment section, so you can use it. After registering, you will log in to your dashboard, and now you can click on any blog or any news of your choice. Suppose I am using this. I am clicking on this, and you can see there are some the DeFi Diaries. It is the title. It is written by Sam BTC, and you can see that earn token. Earn token means he that author, or maybe it is not relating to the author, actually the relating to the writings. This writing got $1.72 donation from other viewers, other readers who have read it, who have liked it. They have given donation to this writing. So you can also read this, and there is some video, you can see it as well. It is coming from library video, it is from YouTube video. I guess both are the same, and both have been uploaded in two different platforms, so you can see it if you wish. And you already know that uh, library is giving us some cryptocurrency every day. So this is the library referral, whatever. Okay, now come to the point that how we can get cryptocurrency just by reading it. Well, I have read it, so I can give tip. Everybody or every user can tip every article. Well, I am thinking that I will give 50% to the author and 50% to me. You can drag it anyhow. If you give 100% to the author and 0% to me, that is also applicable. And you can give minimum 20% to the author and 80% to yourself. That is also acceptable by this platform. And you may ask that where from these tips are coming. These tips are coming from pool of this platform, so you don't have to deposit anything for tipping it or getting tipped. Okay, I am here, I am putting here a 50% to the author and 50% to me. Now I am clicking on the tip button. Let's see what happens after clicking it. Well, I clicked on tip button. Now it is, yeah, look, you have tipped Sam BTC 0.49 bat and you received 0.49 bat. Well, that means I got something by reading it. Okay, there is one there is some rules. If you start clicking right now, if you say that I will tip so many articles right now, but it won't be, oh, it won't allow you to tip every moment. There is some cooling period. Well, I am going to show you that also. This article got $13.52 tipped or donation, whatever you say it. Well, here I come down. Here, after reading all the things, you can say I can tip here. You will be able to tip again once the timer expires. That means on you can tip once in every 10 minutes. And if I, I I guess that you can tip the same writer only. Okay, well, Sam BTC, I am going to Sam BTC. You cannot tip uh, every time to the same BTC, same writer. Okay, so I am going to show you that also. This Sam BTC is has joined October 19 and he is very much popular here. 525 followers he has. So not a bad writer or a bad researcher, I guess. He is writing regularly and getting tipped on every article. He has written 4th August. Well, suppose I wish to tip him on this article. Okay, let's see what is going on, because I tipped him 3 minutes ago, so at least I have to wait for 7 minutes, but still I am going to check it what is written there. Sam BTC has got $2 on this article, more than $2.10. Thank you. You have now got to wait until the timer ends. Send another tip to Sam BTC, but you can tip other bloggers. That means you can tip same writer after 1 hour, but during 1 hour every 10 minutes you can read and tip another blogger. Okay, got my point? And now we will check that how much we have earned. As I told you that I am using this platform many months ago, so I got some amount. I am going to show you how much I collected. Well, this is my collection, though I haven't written any article till now, but still I got some amount of cryptocurrency so far. Okay, but when I started there were many cryptocurrencies, and I collected a few of them, but now I am seeing that all have been gone, and I am not getting any right now. But I can show you that there is affiliate stats. If you use your affiliate link, you can earn some currency too. So here I am going to show you. Yeah, here, look, this is DAI stable, this is Hydro, this is Bounty 0x. It were earlier, but right now they are not into my account. But you can see that I have earned this sort of crypto, though I haven't used much, but still you can see some currency there and it valued. So you can start using right now, and hope you will enjoy this, because it is giving you some knowledge for free, and you will gain some cryptocurrency by reading it and tipping it as well. So here I conclude, and let me know that what you think about this platform. I hope you will like it. So here I go. Bye. See you next time.